Hello, and welcome back to Train Sound 4 once again. My name is JJ, and let's begin today's video. Yes, I know we haven't done this for a while. As I say in pretty much every video these days, I'm extremely busy today, so I do apologise to viewers who really do like the channel and expect me to do more videos. I'd love to do the same, and I'm just extremely busy these days, so I apologise if I miss out on recording day. So yes, we are doing London Commuter once again. This time we are driving the Great Western Railway Class 166 Networker, which originally entered service with Network South East, I think, back in the good old 1990s. This train was laid in from the Train Sim World 2020 DLC Great Western Express. I did do a video on that route, driving a Class 387-2, which you can see there. I got a Great Western livery for it, and I driven it as a semi-fast service from London Paddington to Reading. So if you'd like to go and check that out, as always, all of these videos are on my channel. So we are going to be driving the (11:33) service to Gatwick Airport. Now it does say part 1 and 2, and we are doing both parts. I'll just switch timetable schedules in around halfway, but without further ado, let's begin today's journey. So yes, we are back. Feels good to be doing this once again for you lovely viewers, and of course make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for when I do videos. I know I said I was going to do 3 video games. That just got overwhelming for me a bit. So we are just going to do Train Sim 4 for the time being. And maybe I'll do some City Skylines videos in future, but that is not to be confirmed. So anyway, let's have a little exterior look of this beauty of a networker. Let's get the headlights running, so I know I do forget them sometimes. Oh, how do we do the lights? There we go. Right, shut the doors around 30 seconds early, because that's what trains do in the UK. I remember one time it was like something like 40 or 60 seconds. I think that got a bit too much for people. Here we go. Do love the two tones on the Class 166s, but my gosh, how loud are the tones? Whoa, got a red signal already. Lucky I kept my eye out then. What are we waiting for? Some kind of freight train or something? Can't see anything here. I'm not gonna go into the map screen, just because I don't want to get ourselves behind schedule if the light does turn green. Are we really waiting for another 166, which is clearly on a different line? I would say one thing, but will it get copyright? I do not know, so I'm not going to risk it. Yes, we are just departing Reigate, which has already been in one of my videos. Of course, it was the London Victoria to Reigate parts 1 and 2. And off we go. So I'll leave you here, and I'll meet you on the approach to Red Hill. Okay, I'm not sure about this signal. It's saying that it's green. Clearly it is. I did notice there's some glitching a couple of seconds ago. I do apologise for that. I do not know what the cause of that was. I'm hoping that that will be sorted out in the future. Hold on, is that really a southeastern pair of 375-9s? What? Dovetail Games, what are you doing with a pair of 375-9s at Red Hill? I thought this was meant to be a line for Gatwick Express, Southern, GWR and some freight. And I know the train next to us looked like it was a 377-1. It's actually just a 377-. Four. I know the thumbnail was slightly different. That's because it was taken before the video. Right, I'll see you in part 2. And you join me in part 2 of Reigate to Gatwick Airport. So let's set ourselves up at the other end of the train. There we go, set the headlights up, AWS. There we go. Lovely. I can already see we are running slightly late. So we are going to have to do quite a rather swift departure. Yeah, just whack it in full throttle, JJ. I thought this train... Oh, squeaky voice. I thought this train did stop at Earlswood, Salford and Hawley, but it looks like we are running non-stop. Right, we'll get ourselves onto the Brighton Mainline and we'll get ourselves running up to speed. Okay, since we have... Oh, not yet. Okay, since we've left Red Hill, I shall leave you here and I'll meet you at Hawley, I think. Yeah, I'll see you at Hawley because that's the final approach into Gatwick Airport. So I'll leave you here and I'll see you there. Okay, so we are just passing Hawley at the minute, which means we are very much quickly approaching Gatwick Airport. You can even see a plane coming in to land. I wonder if you could get sights like that at East Midlands Parkway. To be fair, it is a bit out and it's on the other side of the M1, isn't it? Yeah, just put the train into full service just to slow it down. What is it with all this glitching? Honestly, I do apologise to all you viewers for all this glitching, because just as much as you don't want it to appear, I don't want it to appear. I know this video was very quick, but as I said, I'm extremely busy these days, so hopefully I can get a few videos out for you viewers. But yeah, we are now pulling into Gatwick Airport around 3 minutes early, is that? Oh, squeaky voice again. What is it with me today? So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. As I said earlier, I have big ambitions for this channel, but I can't just do it with myself. I need you viewers to help me. Anyway, that is the end of the video, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll get a video done very soon, because I don't like keeping you viewers waiting for videos, and some things can't be helped sometimes. But anyway, all that's left for me to say is take care, have a good one, and have a good rest of your day.